I beg, no vex, yeah? Yeah, bros? Don't leave me there, bro, no vex. Over in the lab. Don't leave me there, bro, no. Don't leave me there, bro. I got 3 children, I be go raise them. I got 3 children, I be go raise them. Bros, I beg. Oh, Jesus, what is this? Bros, I beg, I beg. I beg. I got 3 children, I be go raise them. I beg, take a small. Don't like, this is a risk. Swag Nation, see the risk we take. It's okay like this, I beg. Don't speak. See the risk we take, people, to entertain you. Live on direct on River Niger. Whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa. This one that they hit under. You don't go boss, Abi. Swag Nation, the lie. Oh, but my test I don't come out, though. I'm not joking. The risk we take to entertain you. I am begging the captain that I'm the only child and I have 3 boys, I will raise them. Yes, so Captain, God bless you. He don't come down with the speed. Yeah, no, this is Swag Nation. Yes, so that
Good morning, guys. My name is TC Okafo. I'm a Nollywood actor. First of all, I want to thank God for saving my life because it's not easy. The way I don't know how I came out from that boat, understand? But the only thing I thank God for is that I came out alive with some of the crew members, like Sean Israel, Ogolo, one of my colleagues, Scooby-Doo. Okay, first of all, one night I was at Bearwood Hotel and I got a call from Ogolo. I said, Ogolo, they always call me when job day, and I'm my guy. So he called me, he said, Baba, I don't remember you, I get job. Where you did? I say, I did Bearwood. He said, okay, come to Wicked Man's house where we always shoot film, and it's around my area. So I said, okay, I'll be there in the next 1 hour. So I was still discussing with some of my friends that before I check my time, he don't pass 1 hour. And I call and say, I beg you, there that location. He say, still there. I said, can you come? So when I got there, he said, he get a job for me. Then the next thing, Adam Maluk came out. So because the last job I did for Adam Maluk, the name of the film is Shortcut. You know, say Adam Man my person. So anytime where I work from, I do like saying a family. Even if I collect hire from other people, even if I can't work for them, I know they ask them how much it could be. That's why the first job I did with her, we finished the job. All of a sudden, person where I get respect for, she sent 30,000 to me. As in, I'm mad. That time, during that time, where BP do in music, Imanko see me again. Now me and Jerry and Milo, we dance for the video. We can't do video for BP promoting something. So back to what I was saying, they gave me a script, then they started joking, they go, we'll go enter water, I say, which one they say we'll go enter water? They say we'll go. I say, I beg, how the job be? He said they already don't start the job, I'll be on set tomorrow. I say, you're giving me a script now, I say I will be on set tomorrow. How I won't read all this thing? They say, I beg, they go need me tomorrow. I said, okay, no problem. Last night, she said, make I go. Say, we'll go talk for WhatsApp. I say no problem, but I beg, if true they cross water, I know they like cross water. It gets why everybody know where in from come. Before I cross water, they go observe them. Now I say no, I say okay, let me call my spiritual mom. I called my spiritual mom, she said okay, no, say make I go, say nothing. Say if I finish, so far say if I finish, that's good why me supposed to give water. People say make I still come bring them for them. I say okay, no problem. He reached the next day where I supposed to start the job. They no call me throughout that. They are controversial. Why these people, they don't start this, their package. They will tell you be on set, they wouldn't call you. So the upper day, I got a call from Ogolo. I said they go need me this morning. After I said, Ogolo, you go need me this morning, but your girl never call me. Why Adam Maluk never call me? He say, no, T, Baba, say, she go call you. I say, okay, let me come out with trust. I came out. Adam look half an hour for phone. Wait till you go pay. He tell me, say, make I talk now. I say, see how much why they collect to. She tell me, say, okay, see what thing go happen. Say she not to get money, I beg now. Say she have paid Jnr Pope. Say her money don't go down. Say, say, no be waiting at the collect, but I beg, make I collect 100,000 from him. I said, okay, Ada, I'll take this job because of you. I said, because when I born Peking, I see her for one supermarket, which she bought me Pampers. And that was how we settled in that our last job, the shortcut. So, we'll come go the job that day. We'll fly, we'll first shoot for our campus, our campus forest. And they will be in the shoot. The next day, they can't say no, they go Anam. Saying that for that Anam, their picture there. So, when we got to Anam the first day, when I got to water, according to what my spiritual mom, I bought Fanta. I used alligator.
Somebody said whether 100K hero, I'll be 100,000.
100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. Understand? When I got to the place, I bought Fanta. I have 10,000 with me. I spray them for the water. Give small children wait on top of the water. The remaining 5K we did there to 200. That small children on top of the water. We can't go that first day. So when we got to the location, Jnr Pope never come. They come, they wait for Jnr Pope. When Jnr Pope now came, if you watch the last video, that video where Jnr Pope post, now video we didn't do day before yesterday, but he posted it yesterday because he was wearing a different clothes. That day he was wearing green, yesterday he was wearing red. So when Jnr Pope came, he came late around towards 1, 2. So already everybody done there exhausted for location. He come ask me too. I don't see your car. I say, Baba, I parked for Bearwood though. And for Bearwood, say, hey, say if they say no, if for no carrying car, come down here since they thief for that marine. At last say, Baba, now so he be. So he was not comfortable. He did. Begin tell our PM, say he won't go, say he get us in body they do. He now left. So I was with my small boy where they always use camera video me. I can't tell the guy, say, make him follow Jnr Pope cross, make him go. That was how he left that day. But that guy, my cameraman got one of the Selena boys tested, where they shoot with me. He carry in cord go where I beg. So he come tell me, say, he can go bring and being there yesterday. So we can't go that day. I can't tell PM, make I go, make I follow Jnr Pope for both. He tell me, say, no, if Jnr Pope, because he was the first man, I was the second man in command in the film. So he can tell me, say, if Jnr Pope go, who, if I go, who go come they shoot fear. Say, the guy who go look on tell me, say, if I won't go, I feel go, but make him tell me, make I there now, make I shoot. As Jnr Pope done, go make I shoot. I say, okay, Baba, no problem. And meanwhile, when we started this job, I told Ogolo Alpha for my welfare, for money for my food. So he told me they don't get money for welfare. Or say now 1.5 the budget for welfare. I can't laugh. Then I say, me 1.5 morning, afternoon, and night. So now it means saying for 500. Now a budget for grown-up man like me, where I go eat normally waiting be 1.5. If I go where I go chop, I they chop more than 4,000 for one plate. He said now 1.5 the budget, the team pay me. I say no problem. Adama look made a promise to us, we the guys where they should say she will transfer 20,000 to my account. So I go use and buy loud. We will go smoke. When we say we no go smoke ordinary Igbo, where they there. That money, she no send the money. I can't diverse, say she no send the money, and those guys feel saying don't send the money. She didn't send the money. And I told Adama, how far now? If me where they drive motor, that girl where the video dash 2 million, now me even go drop am. Okoli. Now me even carry am. I carried about normally I know the cab, but for now that my small spider, because of the kind of I know they raise my shoulder high. I carry the girl, carry about 6 people, go drop them around 10 for night. Go drop everybody. Understand? Even so, and I ask her, say, you know they give me money for fuel. Even if not 2K, they bring the support. Make I add my own money. Make I buy fuel. So I say no, they say they don't get money for fuel for me. I say, you know what thing go happen? Since this thing be like this, it don't they cause trouble. No money, you know they give me welfare since I started the job. They have not given me food. No money for the welfare. They told me, say now the food where they cook. Now I go eat that. I say no. Everybody get as in they live in life. You can't force me to eat what you cooked. Understand? So they say no money for welfare for me, no fuel money, and the loud money, she no bring them. That's the issue. I come to her and say, you know what thing will happen? Adama, forget them, hold them. If you no one bring money for this thing, I'll come and finish this work. She come tell me, say, after that thing, why I tell her that thing, she cut phone. The next thing, she now called me and said, TC, why I dey tell the guys for the set, me they no cross water? Why I won't spoil the job? Why I won't make those guys no cross water? Go shoot for them. I can say, Adama, I never said so. I was only talking for myself. Say, I know they like cross water. I get time why they use cross water, and I get time why they use go back. I only spoke for myself. I am not speaking for anyone. I can say, I beg. Now that day I can't, now for that phone, now I say, you know what thing will happen? If this thing won't bring problem, I beg hold the fuel money, hold the welfare money, Adama, make I do the job. And I asked my PM to tell Adama to send me that cheap 100,000. What is 100,000 now?
That's not your artist fee.
It's not my artist fee. Just make I show am love.
Wow.
I say, okay, make it tell Adama, make it give me that 100,000, or I will not shoot. Adama could not bring down money.
Wait, they never even pay you the money before you start production.
They never pay me out of love where I get for the girl. I no even see a lot. Now I never see a lot. Out of the thing, I no gree go. The thing can't they pay me. How I go take buy food? How I go take buy fuel? How I go take care of my baby? If I dey come out for house, I suppose drop something and say, man, the thing they pay me. I no talk. I can't use out of anger. Day before yesterday, where I tell Jnr Pope making cross, when he say one cross, in go. When go whether my boy follow. We left that location around 10:30.
In the morning.
Life jackets.
In the morning.
In the night.
Wait, when I shoot today for yesterday for night.
For night, for Anam Forest.
Hey, Jesus.
We left without no life jacket. Nobody, no single person wear life
For
jacket.
midnight.
For midnight. So, it reached that yesterday morning. The thing can't pay me. I remember what I risked that day before yesterday. The thing can't pay me for body. He reached yesterday. First person where I call in the morning was Jnr Pope. I tell Jnr Pope, Baba, I get maximum respect for you as my senior brother. Help me, I know say Adama are your friend. Help me tell Adama to give me my money, or I will not come to that set. Say because if I come that set, she no go like my say everybody know say me I dey kolo. She no go like wetin I go display for that set. Now wetin I tell Jnr Pope. Jnr Pope say make I calm down. Say he go call Adama look and he will get back to me. This was happening around after 9 in the morning. I don't cut phone, day for bed. The thing no gree me. The thing still they pay me for body. I begin call Ogolo, our PM, production manager. Say, what thing they happen now? He say, you never get the alert. Say, now wow. Say, okay, you go talk to her. I can't call one of the Selena tested boys. Come tell him for WhatsApp. Say, see what thing they happen now. Say I dey vex as I did like this, and I no go come that location today. Say if I come that location, they no go like I go scatter everywhere. Because the thing don't reach my head. The guy come tell me saying go talk to Ogolo. So the guy went to speak to Ogolo. Ogolo out of his own heart, not even from our dad's pocket, out of his own heart, and as a production manager, make problem no day. He brought out 50,000 and sent to me. I didn't check my account while I was coming. So, the thing, after everything, I don't even know saying don't send money. I can't call and tell and say, oh, but you know what thing will happen. Since where this thing be like this, I can't start what I can't finish. You know what thing will happen. I come that location, I will prove everybody wrong, and I will do that job without requesting for money. Make I take the money. Say I don't need that again. Make I can't finish my job. Because I was meant to finish that yesterday. I tell her, they come in, tell me. The only thing he told me, T Baba, I love you for this as my production manager. For this thing where you talk, I too love you. I know say you no go feel disappointment. I tell her, they come.
Cause to transfer the life.
I brought her gin. So he said, me say, T Baba, I love you for this. Say, you know what thing will happen? This thing what you do is shock me. At last I say, okay, I am coming. I dress up. When I did dress up for house, they brought gin for me. Along the line, my woman tell me, say, nah, you don't wear gin. I beg, wear necker. Each one they wear gin up and down. I wear necker, we get 2 size zips. I begin come. I was meant to park my motor at Bearwood. While leaving the house, while leaving my compound, weather come dey dark. The rain come dey drizzle. I can't say I don't understand this kind of thing. Hey, this thing not be good sign. And I was weak. My mom was calling me. But why I know they pick my mom call is what I don't know. Later, when I now left my compound, I saw one of my neighbor, Jnr. I saw one of my neighbor, Jnr. I told him, say I did this girl job.
So you go up, you know, since Instagram go cut this, just that time when I enter the boat, just start from there.
Okay. So to cut the show short, they were calling when I get to the place. So they call JP, make him come. Ogolo tell me, do you receive the $50? I say send me $50. Say if Adama send the money for me, make I balance and back. I say God bless you. So they call JP. JP know the call. He tell them say I did Grand Hotel, and I go see me. They don't call him more than 20 times. He say he go see me, go see if him pick. The next one he no go pick. So we waited for like 30 minutes. He no come. Up to 1 hour. 1 hour, some minutes. JP never come. So he come call me for phone. Tell me say TC how far now? Say he don't talk with. Say he don't call Adama. Look, say Adama say he go bank, go transfer the 100,000 for me. I can't be wonder. For 100,000, a big chick like you won't go bank, so you go fit transfer the 100,000 for me. I no talk. I say no problem. At last I say anyway, Shababa, I don't reach here. He say okay, in the come. He come. When he came, we can't they go down the river, more come out. In parking motor, we can't they go down the river, more come out. So in same person make it buy him drink. 1 hero and 1 tiger. 1 hero before it be I say with tiger because here and DOP they come from downhill. I first them go down. He can say they come. Say make the person bring the drink, he don't give person money. We waited for the person, you know, see he come down the hill again. Can't enter boat. The next thing the person carry 1 black bath, carry that 2 alcohol. He give the DOP, collect 1. They come the drink. As they come the drink, since we will start this job, I always sit down for front. I know they like sit down for. I don't see where boat can say. I know they like sit down for that. I always like hold that rope. It's very important to me that the rope now do me all this small scratch. Now the fan of the boat now do me this thing. So I did for that front. They were making a video, and I say make everybody put phone for pocket. Make everybody put phone for pockets. The DOP was wearing a jacket and the director was wearing a life jacket. Only 2 of them wear life jackets. So JP then sit down. Me, I did for the mouth of the boat, bend down. Who can't they go? But before I entered the boat, I carry my Fanta where I buy. Pour for the boat. First thing when Jnr Pope asked me to, what do they do? At last I say, they observe water people. I know they feel pass without sharing something. I don't give them Fanta, I beg. I don't want any bad thing to happen to me. I know like water. So he say, not true. We enter, they sit down. That time we don't go, JP don't make video. The boat guy was wearing an earpiece. I think he was playing the music and JP was doing video. So he was focusing for his head to come out on the video. And I was in the front. I see one small canoe. These people were the fishermen. At the time I say, see canoe. This thing like canoe like this now, where they move. The canoe, that guy, if he get experience, he for just do like this. But he no get the experience. The first thing we in jam na the last point of the canoe, the boat somersaulted. But because I was holding that rope, where we say boat packed for dry ground, where they use hold for ground, now that rope, now I hold, they save that girl, Scooby-Doo girl. Why they save with me and there, they push them off. See me when no they enter swimming pool, I know sabi swim. Nothing. That was it. Every of my phone spoiled. Everything. That is why I'm not online. Nothing.
As you can't come out, I say they want to arrest you.
As I can't come out, Me and Sean Israel, being the props guy, we've been packing motor. With me, Sean Israel, and that girl, with Ogolo, them, everybody came out. But when boats come, I couldn't, the trauma was too much. I tell one of the boats, I beg, carry me across, come up for this water first. Me, Sean Israel, with that girl, why I say, we can't come on, Scooby-Doo girl. I can't come on, Sean can't say no feed here. They drive motor, go. When we were then going, the thing no agree me. I have to turn back. All one of my friend, understand, where I get a number.
Which race school now? Which boat? Boat where they pass?
Boat where they pass. You know, say, a boat move. You know, say, river, they open. Understand? If you decide waiting, they happen for up. So now those people will sight from that place will take off, and then they come with boats. Concept, by then I was already getting weak. I'm tired of holding that thing because that girl too, they try hold me, make I survive. Me when no service swim, I they hold the rope, the girl they hold me. So two of us for go. I came out, I went to take tetanus injection in my hand because that water was very bad and treat the mouth of this thing. And ever young, now tracked me, now say make we go back to the river. When I got there, I saw a lot of people. I saw my colleague, Kevin Nuvo, I saw a lot of people. I saw Adam Maluk. By that time, Adam Maluk don't reach. The next thing, as we don't there finish, I tell them, see what happen, see what happen. As I won't go up, one boy rush call me, say, police people, they call me. I say,
that's after the accident.
After the accident don't happen, they say police.
And they never see Jnr Pope.
They never. Now me even first go police station, go report for police station, see what happen for Marine police station. When me and Sean Israel came out, now we rush go report for there because now they will pack motor. They come, they say why film people they always do this thing. Say they don't tell us anytime we will come, make we come rent jackets for their station before we they enter that water because they be Marine police. Say, but because of our stinginess, say we know they even come carry them with some divers. Now because of our stinginess, if we come, we go think say we go feel make them alone, we will go. So there, now me and Sean come drive. Where I call my guy. But Sean was having a second phone where he no carry inside the motor. So he can't call my guy. He come instantly. As my guy came, I called him, I beg carry me go back. I won't go down Marine. I know if you say my heart no fit rest if I no go there. Say this person is my colleague. As I they come there, talk waiting happen for me, make I go. The boy tell me say police people they come here. I say make any police people won't see me. Say my head now. They shake me, they can't see me here while I sit down. The next thing the policeman came say that they have to take me to Onitsha. To Marine, Genewa extension to Onitsha with boats. I say with boats where God just rescue my life. I come out. He wants to carry me with boats go there. They say no, they have a life jacket for me. I say it be like say something they worry.
Who tell them they arrest you?
Now that look. Tell them say na me cause because as I come out, the boat guy don't dey lie. Say I stand up for the boat. That's why he no see road. Are you a madman? As I sleep like this, I stand for mouth of boat. Now you no see road. Are you okay? You will be a pilot. Where they pilot boats. It's crazy.
So after the accident, they never even see Jnr Pope. Adam must say they arrest you.
They never even see Jnr Pope that time. Oh. They never even see Jnr Pope. Now verse my guys come they talk. After I leave this, the policeman will come they shout for him. That was how I left the place. Before my chairman man came to carry me to the hospital to say we'll go do scan for night yesterday. That was it. So I'm totally disappointed, and as this point now, I want to officially say this, I am no longer an actor. I've survived so many times. I know how many times, because of this stupid business, how much did they pay me? How much did they pay me? I know how many times where I don't survive. I know how many times where they don't give me poison, where nobody hear. I know how many times where I don't get car accidents because of Nollywood. When I know if you kill me, my head too strong, when I know if you kill me. I don't want to be an actor. Let me focus on my comedy. If you love me, you want to support everything what I do, come to my Facebook page and see me. I don't care. Make everybody hold their script. Make a day. No only me, my mama get. I no get brother. I no get sister. Please, I'm done, sir.
I just want to thank God today that I'm alive. I'm a survivor from the situation that happened yesterday. It was 1:30 to 2 in the afternoon. We're all on the boats. Jnr Pope, TC Virus, myself, Tango Dikoma Idoma, Scooby-Doo, and the director of movement, the production manager Ogolo, and a lot of them. On our way going to another destination on top of the river, we were all having some good conversation. Suddenly, raising our head up, we saw a normal canoe boat. I don't know if he's looking for fish or whatever. And we are very close, so close. Our pilot was trying to dodge, and the canoe guy was trying to paddle fast to dodge. But he could not make it. And we are that very close. And that was how the canoe guy have to jump inside the river. And our own flying boat have to clamp on top of his canoe. And that caused the tumbling of the flying boat inside the river. On we, all the passengers, we are 12 in number. Artists, crew member, director, production manager, and camera assistant, sound engineer, production assistants. That was how we all turned inside the river, and about 7 of us try our best, drag. In fact, it was just life and death. We drag. Some of us survived it, 7, and 5 of them were missed inside the water, which is Jnr Pope, Precious, makeup artist, 2 sound man. We could not see them for more than 2 hours plus. It was later the divers and the help of other people. They have to go and throw nets inside the water. The divers have to go down deep inside the water and tie Jnr Pope leg, begin to drag him with nets out.
Thank you very much. This is one of the actors inside the boat. So I am very happy hearing from him. This is what's happened. We want to hear exactly from one of the persons inside the boat. Inside the boat, one of the survivors inside the boat. Nde Chineke nyere aka fa pụta na dị mmiri na ofu onye n'ime fa ihe okwu kịta bụ ihe ịmana okwu ifeme etu a na-akọ nnukwuta akụkọ akarịa. So now this person now one of the actors will follow enter the fall inside the water where they call rescue. So now him be this person, Scooby-Doo, that's his name. Thank you very much, everybody. We also have Uncle IB here, one of the men like Jnr Igbo land. N'afuma ka ode mmandi Igbo. Oputakwara ebe ata ka o mara ihe na-eme. He's out here today to know what is going on. So Uncle IB, because
I'm dumbfounded because I'm on the radio to Melo because this story is touching and it's not straight because it feels as if now something went wrong and we are not even sure of what really went wrong because they were coming back just like he said, and all of a sudden another boat was coming, and before they could dodge the boat, now the boat now fly over them and they find themselves in the river. It was so touching, and even till now I'm still suspecting. Now that guy's death, Jnr Pope's death, is not ordinary. It's not. I don't think it is ordinary. Because if they did what they should have done when he was out of the water, I think he would have survived.
Yes.
But it was very late that when they took him to the hospital, just like you said, had it been they started taking care of him, looking for means to, at least to bring back his life, I think by now we wouldn't have been talking. At least we'll be talking about others that are still missing. But all the same, let's give glory to God that at least some people survived. Because if you go online now, you'll be hearing people talking about, okay, we are talking about Pope. What about others that are still missing? Is it because Pope is popular? Not that he is popular, it's because he is well known. Yes. That is the reason why people are talking about him. And we also, we are not even happy with the whole situation, how it went. But all the same, as you can see, if you look around here, you see many people. There are many people here. We are all waiting to see if we are going to, meet the other people that are still in the water. That is the reason why everybody is here. And I thank God that at least some survived. Just like a virus, that guy virus.
TC virus.
TC virus. They say TC virus is still missing.
He survived.
As you can see now, he survived. So I thank God for that.
Alive. He's alive.
Thank God for that. Thank God for that. Thank God for that. Yes. That is all I have to say.
Thank you. Audio